Our next step is going to be kneading the dough. You can just put a piece of wax paper down on your countertop from which to knead it. If your dough is still a little bit sticky, then you might want to add a little bit of flour. If not, then you don't need to at all. And we're just going to knead it a little bit to make sure that all of the little bits are incorporated. Got a little bit of flour left in here. And you want to try and get as smooth of a texture for your dough as possible. So you want to get all those little pieces incorporated in there. You don't want any stickiness. You can see it sticking just a little bit to my hand, but not badly. So you can see that my technique is you pull it back towards you, push it away with the heel of your hand, and then kind of roll it back to you. You want to give it about a quarter of a turn every time that you pull it back to yourself so that you're getting all of it fairly evenly. You can see it's a little bit stickier on the inside than on the outside. You might want to get just a little bit more flour on there. And you're just going to keep kneading it until it's a very consistent texture. You also want to be careful that your kitchen isn't too warm, otherwise that could contribute to stickiness. When your dough is all nicely incorporated, everything's been mixed in, it's neither too sticky nor too dry, then you know it's time to go on to the next step.